Hey guys, this is David with Great Choice Audio Video. Hey, today we have a special unboxing for you guys. This is the Marantz NR1200. This is a stereo receiver, but it's not just any stereo receiver. It's a network stereo receiver with HDMI switching. So you ask yourself, why is the stereo receiver HDMI switching? Well, a lot of times we're doing homes, like living rooms for instance, that there is a big TV over the fireplace, and typically it's too high, and so we don't use a center channel, because if you put a center channel on top of the mantle or underneath the TV, it raises the TV even higher. So a lot of times we don't use a center channel. Now obviously a last resort is putting a center channel in the ceiling, which we typically don't want to do, but it is the last resort. So we'll typically do all channel stereo. We'll put 4 speakers in the ceiling and then possibly a subwoofer as well. And so that way it sounds really nice for TV and for music. Well, that's where this bad boy comes into play, because it's got plenty of power, 75 watts a channel, and you can put 2 pairs of speakers on it and run your subwoofer, but also do all your video switching. So, and I'll turn it around here in a second, guys, and show you. But it's got plenty, it's got 5 to be exact, 5 HDMI inputs. So plenty of inputs to do all your sources. So this thing is super cool, and it fits the bill in a lot of cases. So I want to kind of go over some of the features of this bad boy. And it is super slim. Matter of fact, this is the Slim series, and it's only 4.1 inches tall. So this fits in a lot of small cabinets. And doesn't need a lot of height like your typical receiver does. Again, it's only 75 watts a channel, but that usually fits the bill for most cases. And super nice receiver. It actually weighs quite a lot for such a small receiver. It's 18 pounds, a little over 18 pounds actually. And super nice. So some of the features it does have, it has Bluetooth. It comes with the antennas, in the little package here. Got your Bluetooth antennas, got your AM FM antenna, for that sort of thing. Obviously you got your power cord, comes with the remote. So, but this is a very, very nice receiver for being so small, and everything. And it's got great audio capabilities. Like I said, 75 watts a channel, guys. But this is actually engineered with dedicated hi-fi parts. So it's got custom designed capacitors, a lot of power on such a small container, and you can hook up a nice pair, or 2 pairs actually, of speakers to this thing. So some of the other features of this thing, this 2-channel receiver, is it does have network capabilities for HEOS. HEOS is pre-built into Marantz. So you can, do all your Spotify, Pandora, Deezer, Tidal. What else am I missing here? TuneIn and Napster. So you got all the apps built in. You can control this thing many ways because it's network capable. You can control it through the network, through a web interface. You can control it through IP control. And then, of course, Marantz has their app to control the receiver as well. Now, you do have a zone 2 out. There's not a power, there's no power out for speakers, but there is a pre-out to a separate amp to run a zone 2 if you wanted to with this amp. So this particular receiver for video, obviously it's 4K, 60 hertz, 444. And it has eARC for enhanced, and has HDR. So all the latest, greatest that's packed into this little old receiver. Now, some of the other features I'll show you is on the back. I really do like the looks of the front. Nice and slim, with the clean. I just like how they bezel the round knobs here. Very clean look. If you've been looking at a lot of the Marantz receivers over the last few years, just the front of them, I just think look so much better than a lot of receivers on the market. You have the all metal casings, You know, some receivers are just plastic junk. But you know, sometimes you get a little bit what you pay for. So really love the quality that Marantz has with this. We'll turn it around here. So hopefully you can see a little bit here, guys. But you know, obviously here's where your Bluetooth antennas go. You got your coax, optical, and guess what? You got your 2-channel, guys. Look here, a built-in phono. So get your turntable out and play your vinyl. So matter of fact, click down in below if you guys have, if you guys still have your turntables. I'd like to hear how many people still play their turntable or would like to play their turntable. I know a lot of people who have lots of vinyl but no turntable, or they have a turntable, never play it. But we've got a few lately that play a lot of vinyl, so it's exciting to see those people bring those things out again and play them. So, what else we got? We got obviously AM, FM, network. You got your cable sat input. You know, we got 1, 2, and 3 analog inputs. Like I said earlier, you got your zone 2 out right here. And then you can also do pre-out for fronts as well. And then you have your pre-out for subwoofer 1, subwoofer 2. So, and then for video, like I said, you got 5 HDMI inputs and, you know, monitor out with eARC. And this is also a 2.3 version. So, pretty slick, guys. Hope you guys are enjoying the video. We've got lots more videos coming out. We like doing unboxings just because it gives us an opportunity to kind of show off the product a little bit before the actual install. It gives you a little more information about you know, what we're installing as well. So if you like our videos, please give us a like, share the videos. You know, love to hear you guys' suggestions, comments down below. Hit that notification bell so when we do videos, guys, you get notified. We do 2 videos a week. Still trying to stay on that deal, and like I said, we got a lot more coming out, so can't wait to show you guys what products are coming ahead. So, and I think, let's see here, I think we just about got everything on this receiver. I guess that's going to do it for today, guys. So I'm glad you stuck around, watched the whole video, and we'll see you guys in the next one. See ya.